you've been looking for how to make money online, then this video is definitely for you. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 5 online typing jobs that you can start today with little or no skill required. And the good thing is, I'm going to be taking you to the site and showing you how to use this site to get started like immediately, so we are wasting no time. So grab a pen, take a note, and stick around to the end. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, happy to have you tune in again to my channel. On this channel, I talk about everything on how to earn and make money online, either through remote job, affiliate marketing, aka digital marketing. If this sounds like what you're looking for, you want to hit on the subscribe button if you've not. Turn on your bell notification so that you're the first to know once I post new content every day. Please like, share, and comment on this video. Like I said, I'm not going to waste your time today, so let's get started immediately. The first site we have here is Mod Squad, and with Mod Squad, you're going to work as a content moderator. Now, what is content moderation? Content moderation is basically a job where you help make sure that the things people post online are okay for everyone to see. You know, sometimes people might post mean or even inappropriate things. It's your job to flag these comments so that it can be taken down. You might also have to make sure that the content that people post is accurate and not spammy. You could be doing anything from managing posts in a forum to even reading through their chat log in Discord. There are also other services you can offer here, like customer service support that you can offer. Don't worry about going to their website. I would have a link in the description that you can check out that leads you directly to their page where you're going to be able to apply. The earning potential for this site is between $10 to $15 an hour. Now, for you to get to this site, all you just have to do is go to Google and search for modscore.com. Click on the first link, of course. Then the next will be to click on this place that you see, join the mods, and you can click on apply now. All you have to do once you click on apply now is to fill in your CV or your resume with your personal detail, and their support system would reach out to you and you'd get onboarded and all of that. The next site we're going to be looking at is Wing Assistant. And on this site, you're going to be other people's virtual assistant. What this means is you're going to be helping business owners take care of tasks like typing emails, scheduling meetings, managing data. What's beautiful about Wing Assistant is that they match you with clients and handle the logistics. So you're focused on the work. So depending on the client and the workload that you have, you can make tons of thousands per month on this site. So again, for Wing Assistant, all you have to do is to go to Google and search for Wing Assistant. Click on resources right here. You can see resources, click on it, and it's going to take you to careers. And once you get to career, you can see join the top 1% of remote workers and build your career today. And this site, you can make applications if you're in the Philippines, you're in India, Mexico, US, and rest of the world. Rest of the world means no matter where you are in the world, you can literally apply to work on this site. And you can see sales call, you can see sales development representative, executive assistant, healthcare virtual assistant, medical scriber, real estate code caller, real estate transcription coordinator, real estate virtual assistant, content writer, bookkeeper, and they are all remote, guys. Can you say this? They are all remote and they offer full-time position. So waste no time to come and start. They have customer service job, e-commerce, technical support. Like, waste no time to come and start exploring this website and start applying. Now, the third site we're going to be looking at is Go Transcribe. And as the name sounds, all you're going to be doing here is typing. You're literally transcribing to earn. Go Transcribe posts job from time to time. So all you have to do to get here is to go to Google and search for gotranscribe.com and just go ahead to hit on the first link. And once you come here, come over to company right here and click on careers. So from their career page, you're going to see openings of you can under open positions, you're going to see different open positions for transcriptionists that they are looking for. All you have to do is go ahead to click on it, submit your application, and the selection process will be conducted in English. And if you qualify,
they would send you a message and you can go ahead to become their transcriptionist. Now, the fourth site that we have is Transcription for Everyone. And on this site, I really love this particular site because it's like it provides a lot of job for you. They have legal transcription. You can do court transcription, medical transcription, audio transcription, voice transcription, business transcription, digital transcription, and so on and so forth. So for you to get to this site, all you have to do is to head over to Google and search for Transcription for Everyone. And once you come here, all you have to do is to apply with your CV, fill out all the required details, and submit your application. And if you meet their requirements, they're going to go ahead to like reach out to you and they can onboard you and you can become a transcriber on this site too. And the fifth one we have is Audio B. And with Audio B, you can see that you can work from anywhere. And these sites have over 3,000 jobs that you can apply for. And the good thing is you earn by doing different things on this job. And you can literally apply to become a freelancer almost immediately. And when you scroll down, you would see that you have a wide range of jobs you can do here. You can work from anywhere at any time. And you get paid on time and every time. And it also gives you opportunity to gain experience and earn more. What that means is they also provide like trainings for you to take. So on this site, you can do audio transcription, you can do segmentation, you can do voice recording, you can do translation. So if any of these sounds like what you're really interested in, you want to like go sign up, take their test and quiz to evaluate your language and your skill set, finish up their training, and you can start working and getting paid almost immediately. And this site pays via PayPal or Payoneer. So even if you're in Africa or in anywhere, you can literally get paid through Payoneer. So you can come check out this website. All you have to do to check out this website is head over to Google right now, search for Audio B, and click on the first link, and it brings you here. And all you have to do is click on Become a Freelancer. And once you're done with like filling in all your details, filling all the necessary form with your name and email address and the good language that you're an expert in, submit, and they would get back to you if you qualify.
And if you're still here, which of this website that I shared today would you be trying out? If you're currently thinking of how to start your virtual assistant journey, watch my video where I talked about how to become a virtual assistant in 2025. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button if you're new here. Like, comment, and share this video with anyone you know who it will be beneficial to. And I hope to see you in my next video.